Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to line spacing text in Adobe Express. So let's started. At first, open your Adobe Express. In this video, I will show line spacing text. Now we can see then show the many text. Then we show this text is the line spacing. Now select from all text. Now go to the edit menu option, then click from more option, then show the new interface, then select from a line spacing. Now apply from some more. You need from apply in line spacing. That is. Now you can see line spacing text in Adobe Express is very easy. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.